This video and podcast series explores key questions with industry leaders, delving into their views on electronics manufacturing, their technology driving their success, and their vision for the future. Philips Dynalite is the global leader in connected lighting control. Connected lighting builds upon the benefits of standalone or networked systems by bringing lighting and information technology together to create value beyond illumination. Philips Dynalite has empowered smart buildings across the globe for over 35 years with its suite of connected lighting control solutions.
Indeed, and that has been a case with all industries I worked in, not just lighting. Each of them has experienced a form of technological disruption, typically driven by fast digitalization trends and commercialization of emerging technologies in materials science. Lighting industry in particular has experienced transition from conventional to LED light sources with rapid cost reduction of computing power and connectivity brought all the way to the end light point, enabling significant energy and performance efficiency gains and opening up opportunities for commercialization of cost-effective, longer-lasting, more environmentally friendly, human-centric connected lighting systems such as Signify and Philips Dynalite ones. Automation is generally one of the top critical success factors for manufacturing industries located in high labor cost countries, especially when experiencing a critical supply of skilled workers due to fast-growing demand. So for Philips Dynalite Mascot plant, choosing highly automated solution was a logical choice, and thanks to partnering with HR and other leading industry automation and machine suppliers, we have successfully achieved that. Previously relying on an overseas supplier, we regularly faced peaks and troughs when we would be inundated with products or receive nothing at all. Being now able to accurately forecast and plan our finished boards with preferred batch sizes makes the flow in the factory much smoother and better controlled. Reduced lead time starting from concept and prototyping through to first offs enables us to react quickly to market demands. With inventory now stocked at a component level enables Dynalite to be much more flexible in producing printed circuit boards required within a short time frame and to satisfy customer demand. Pre-commissioning work actually began months in advance with numerous calls and online meetings with the HR team going into real detail to understand the exact footprint and service requirements. This open and frequent discussion enabled all stakeholders to prepare for day one when the first truck arrived and a seamless installation to be possible. Installation and commissioning of the equipment happened very quickly and there were no adverse surprises. The new SMT line is a critical success factor in achieving our value engineering goals in line with our continuous improvement lean journey. We worked with the HR team to determine the correct mix of equipment needed to meet those needs. We considered takt time of the equipment to ensure we can meet our needs now and in the future using our own line with projected very ambitious business targets. Industry associations are very important industry and community partners on the journey to achieve our ambitious sustainability targets as responsible manufacturers and the society as a whole. Lighting Council Australia has been for many past decades a very proactive and strong supporter of sustainability transition journey for many local lighting products manufacturers and suppliers, and we would expect other industry associations to follow LCA as a role model. Unprecedented rise of computing power in past decades has enabled previously unimaginable to happen. For example, thanks to SMT line software vast capabilities, while the machines were manufactured to our order and while on their way to our facility, we could, before even receiving them, fully perform virtual setups, programming and emulation of various manufacturing run scenarios to reduce phase-in time, minimize waste on trials and errors which traditionally would be done on a physical PCBs, and optimize batch sizes, number and location of component feeders, etc. That has brought to us multiple financial and phase-in timeline benefits to faster respond to customer needs and benefit earlier from return on investment, so we would suggest other potential users to consider those and other benefits when deciding. Artificial intelligence, being a disruptive technology with a vast potential, is already making industry-wide impact, and Signify and Philips Dynalite are already harnessing its power in many areas of R&D and manufacturing. Typical start is from low-level repetitive processes and tasks in both R&D, engineering and manufacturing, moving them to more independent machine execution to free up increasingly scarce human resources for higher value-add innovative tasks and process control tasks. Embrace the bright future of engineering. Invest your passion in continuous learning, fearlessly ride the journey of disruption, and find joy and fun along the way.